What's up, guys? Bob Busker here again at ThinkComputers, and today we're taking a look at a gaming keyboard from eSPORTS. It is their Meka mechanical keyboard, and as you can guess, it does use mechanical keys. It uses the cherry black mechanical keys, which are supposed to be great for gaming, very responsive. So let's just get to the good part, open it up, and check out what's inside. Alright, so if we take a look at the box here, it gives us a picture of what the keyboard actually looks like. It lets us know it has a 1000 hertz pulling rate, 50 million keystrokes, and 2 included USB hubs. On the back, it just gives you all that information in many different languages. But let's just go ahead and open it up here. Looks like it just opens like this. When you open it like this, it kind of gives you, bring this up here. You can see it right there. It kind of gives you an overview of the keyboard and lets you know a lot of the features. So this will actually come out here so you can get everything out. Now, it does come with this guide right here. It says TT eSports on the front. If we open it up, inside we find, looks like this is your warranty information, the small one, and this is your quick installation guide in here. Taking a look at the keyboard, it is a little more condensed down than some keyboards. A lot of keyboards, they'll give us the arrow keys will be over here, and then the number pad will even be farther over, but it's more condensed. A lot of gamers, they don't really care about all that other stuff, so it's really nice. Again, as I said, this does use the cherry black keys, and you can tell the difference. You can hear that these are mechanical keys, which is nice. And the mechanical keys are going to be more responsive, faster, and this should have, actually I don't know how many keys you can press down at once, what the rollover is. Normally on USB it's 6, but with a lot of gaming keyboards we see up to 20, but I'm not really sure on this actual keyboard. We take a look at the back here, and as I pick this up I notice it is very heavy, nice and heavy keyboard. You have 2 USB ports right here, one here and one right there. So this can be used for, you know, a gaming headset, flash drive, whatever you want to put in there. The cable is very heavy and braided, nice long cable. It has this nice Velcro strap right here to keep it all in line, and it does use the gold-plated USB connector, which I do like. And it has this little groove in here, so you can route the cable however you like to get it out of the way of your other gaming devices. You have 2 feet here that will flip up, that will allow you to put this on an angle, so we can show you that. So you can put that on an angle, like I said, perfect angle here for gaming, you know, and everything like that. So again, this is the TT eSports Meka mechanical keyboard. And again, if you like these unboxing videos, make sure you subscribe. And if you like this video, hit the like button at the bottom. Catch you guys later.